Hello everyone, for today's magic card trick tutorial, I thought it'd be neat to share with you a neat little card change effect. It's a transposition where you actually turn a wrong card into a right card. You have a regular deck of cards, well mixed, well shuffled. Have a spectator select any card that they like. It is a true and free selection. So let's just assume for demonstration purposes, they pick this card right here. They look at it, remember it, don't show you, but you take their card, lose it somewhere in the middle of the deck. You have no idea where it is. Give the deck a few cuts and even a nice shuffle, completely losing the location of their selected card. Now, you're going to dribble the cards down just like this and ask the spectator to tell you when to stop when they think that you might be at their card. Okay, so you dribble down and let's say they stopped you right there. Okay, let's look at that card. Let's see, the 3 of spades, was that the card you picked? No, it wasn't? Well, because you're a magician, if you just do this, you can actually turn that card into the 7 of clubs. Was that your selected card? And that's the J.A.T. And now before I show you how to do it, please, as always, like and subscribe to this channel and this video. I really appreciate it. I'd also like to give a shout out to my channel members. I really appreciate you guys. And if you're looking to become a channel member through YouTube and supporting this channel in that way, you can do that all in the links given in YouTube below. Also, visit thebestmagicshop.com for some awesome magic tricks and gimmicks. You can also sign up for a newsletter to be notified of new tricks, discounts, and more. All at thebestmagicshop.com. All right, now J.A.T, the tutorial. J.A.T stands for Jeff Altman Transposition. It's a Jeff Altman move, long time ago, card change effect. He does it with a couple different cards, so I just did it with one card, so I'll just show you what I did. Okay, so you do have a regular deck of cards, well mixed, well shuffled. They're in no particular order. You have a spectator select any card that they like. It is a true and free selection. You want to get their selected card to the top of the deck, and you can do that. You're using your favorite method that you want, but for this video, I'll show you what I did. So take their card, put it in a little bit below half of the deck, half or below, push their card in, and then on the last push, push down with your thumb, push it in, and then get a pinky break. So their card is on top of this bottom stack of cards here. So this is a top stack, this is a bottom stack, and their card is on top of this bottom stack here. Cut about half of these cards, place them on the table, cut at the break, place them on top of that stack, and then place this final stack on top of that, and that maintains their card now to the top. So you can shuffle as many times as you want, as long as you shuffle their card last, maintaining it on the top of the deck, okay? Shuffled their card last, now their card is still on the top. When you dribble the cards down, they can stop you at any point in time that they want. Let's say they stopped you right there. You turn this card over with this half of the deck. This is my right hand, this is my left hand. Turn this card over and show that it's the incorrect card. No matter where they stop you, obviously it's going to be the incorrect card because their card's on top here. Turn that card face down again and leave it out jogged, placing the rest of the deck on top of that. You can show that it's still the King of Hearts, the wrong card, and then the Jeff Altman Transposition. And I did it like this to kind of cover it because you want to be kind of careful of where your spectator's looking, and I just assumed, it's this way, so I covered it with my hand. But what I did was I pushed this card in, cut up this stack of cards, okay? And you don't really have to cut where you push their card in, but pull this card off with your thumb and turn it over, and then leave it on top of the rest of the deck, just like that. And that's the Jeff Altman Transposition, and it looks like you've turned that wrong card, whatever it may be, into the correct card. So the final, you have their card out jogged, their selected card's on the top, okay? Again, cut, lift up with your thumb, pull over, and then drop these cards on top, and then pull this card out, and that is the whole Jeff Altman Transposition move, and it turns a wrong card into the selected card. So you dribble down one more time, and you just got to practice this, okay? Turn their card over, or the one they stopped you at, 8 of hearts, it's not their card, leave it out jogged. You can show it again if you want. Come in with your hand, okay? You want to cover this kind of with your hand too, what you're doing with your thumb. Push in, cut up just any amount of cards here, turn over with your thumb, drop these down, and then that's the 6 of hearts, and you can just kind of swivel it out and show that that's their selected card, okay? Now that's the Jeff Altman Transposition. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I answer the comments, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to this channel. I really appreciate it. I'm trying to get to 100,000, and you know, if you know somebody that likes this magic, you can share this with them too as well, okay? Let me know if you have any questions, and until next time.